Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something special for you: the Pure Plus Faucet Mount Water Filtration System. If you're looking for the best tap water filter on the market, you're in the right place. We'll dive into the details of this powerful filtration system and why it's a game-changer for your drinking water. Let's start with an overview of the Pure Plus Faucet Mount Water Filtration System. This is not your ordinary water filter. It's a 3-in-1 powerhouse designed to provide you with clean, better-tasting water right from your tap. The system comes in a sleek gray design, and it's incredibly easy to install. Now, let's talk about what sets this water filter apart from the rest. One of the key features is its powerful 3-in-1 filtration technology. It's the only faucet filter brand certified by WQA and NSF to reduce a whopping 70 chemical and physical substances, including lead. That's a big deal for your health and safety. But it doesn't stop there. The Pure Plus system is also NSF certified to reduce microplastics commonly found in tap water. So not only are you getting rid of harmful contaminants, but you're also contributing to a cleaner environment. Installation is a breeze with its one-click attachment, and there's an on-off lever for easy access to filtered water when you need it. Plus, it features a filter change indicator light, so you'll always know when it's time for a replacement. The system comes with a genuine Pure Plus Faucet Mount water filter that can last up to 100 gallons or 3 months of regular use. That's convenient and cost-effective. Another great thing is that it's compatible with most standard faucets, so you can enjoy mineral-rich, filtered water directly from your tap. Let's take a look at what customers are saying. With over 16,000 ratings and an impressive 4.4-star average, it's clear that people love this product. Users praise its ease of installation, the convenience of the filter change indicator, and the improved taste of their tap water. Some users have even shared helpful tips, like how to address any potential leaking issues by using the right adapter. It's always great to see a community of users sharing their experiences. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best tap water filter, the Pure Plus Faucet Mount Water Filtration System is a top contender. It's certified to reduce a wide range of contaminants, easy to install, and cost-effective in the long run. So, there you have it, folks. Our review of the Pure Plus Faucet Mount Water Filtration System. If you want to enjoy cleaner, better-tasting water right from your tap, this is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay tuned.